Alright, what I have here is a 454. It's all standard bore, standard on the rods, standard on the mains. Has an Edelbrock air gap dual plane intake. As you can see, the thing looks brand new. It has the GM high performance heads on it. They end in 840. It's got roller rockers. Getting a flashlight, hold on. And you can see that the valve seals, they got the positive Teflon valve seals on it, so the heads are all been done. They're in great shape. I'm going to put this on a engine run stand so you can actually hear it run. This is the oil pan that's in it. Came off, it was super clean inside. I checked the main bearings and rod bearings in it. There's a flashlight so you can see what it looks like. It's got a engine is super clean. Got that big pump with the pickup tube on it. The pistons all look great. The cylinder walls. Timing chain is not loose. So I'm going to start this thing up in a few days and you can actually hear it run. If you have any questions, it's my cell phone is 204-1390 and the area code is 413. Thank you.